All right, everybody, we are here at the Jim and Diane Bashor Bridge, and we have a bank of elevators.
Feel the siren.
And this is here at the San Diego Zoo in San Diego, California. We got this one. Let's go to one. These might be synergies based on that brake. See what that. This is the exit right here. We're going to go to 2. They're definitely right about that. Doors take forever to close. All right, here we go to 2. All right, that one will close up eventually. These have very long door timers for some reason. Almost seems like there's only one that's working. Nope, there we go, got this one.
Do we want to go out that stuff?
All right, here we go down. You're welcome.
I'll see you around.
All right,
That'll be it.
Charles.
There's a nice view up there.